Welcome to your personal viewing of the Eunos 800. At the end of the video, please wait for information about a very special invitation.
To create something perfect, to direct every effort at a harmony of body and spirit, and then to build from this foundation something unique, precious, something beyond the expected. A luxury car like no other. A car that combines the latest technology with a total commitment to quality and the environment. The Eunos 800, a true realization of an ultimate obsession with perfection. To aim for perfection, our objectives had to be uncompromising in all aspects of the Eunos 800 design. From the thorough research and development right through to innovations in technology and production. The design objective was to combine artistic inspiration with functional simplicity, and the result is the shape of the future. With a drag coefficient of just 0.29, the Eunos 800 is one of the most aerodynamic cars in the world. Aerodynamics and styling are further assisted by the most exacting panel fit and finish. A supercomputer was used to ensure the most precise fit from design right through to production. Tolerances are at the limit that the most advanced technology will allow. Even the paintwork assists aerodynamic function. The unique high-reflex paint technique rotates the body through an infrared oven. The result is a brilliant finish, a finish that resists scratching, chipping, and chemicals. But beauty and efficiency are far more than skin deep. They begin with a commitment to the innovative use of materials and production techniques. Innovations such as the custom-built 5,200-ton transfer press, which allows the production of perfectly formed seamless side panels. On the robotic welding line, the precision and detail of master craftsmen finds its 21st century equivalent. These are just a few of the innovations that mean exceptional quality and enduring strength for the Eunos 800. Inside, Eunos 800 is a spacious and secure haven of luxury. There is room to move, and everything is thoughtfully at hand. Switches and controls feature uniform stroke length for a reassuringly natural feel during operation. The seats are covered in the finest quality oxhide leather. A unique front seat pressure distribution system ensures that the stress of hours behind the wheel is comfortably shared by the vertebrae and hips. Fatigue is minimized on even the longest journeys. Climate control is a simple set-and-forget operation. The system automatically maintains your selected temperature, whatever the vagaries of the weather outside. And power mirrors, windows, and front seats are available to maximize your driving comfort, no matter how long the journey. The sound system is the equal of the other luxury interior appointments. The custom-designed Bose music system features 5 individually amplified speakers and a digital signal processor for concert hall sound quality. Attention to detail is evident even in the storage capacity, where a large 383-liter boot can accommodate the biggest loads. Inside, there is further evidence of the meticulous attention to storage detail. The The Eunos 800 is available with a choice of two V6 double overhead cam 24-valve engines. Quiet, fully responsive with smooth, brisk acceleration, the 2.5-liter V6 model provides impressive fuel efficiency and low emissions. The 4-stage variable resonance induction system helps create a high and flat torque curve across the whole RPM band for superb on-road performance. Alternatively, the evolutionary V6 double overhead cam Miller cycle engine manages the extraordinary feat of delivering the performance of a larger engine while consuming the fuel of a smaller one. It achieves this by combining low compression and high expansion ratios. The compression ratio is lowered by delaying the closure timing of the intake valves, while the expansion ratio is maintained at a high rate. Assisting efficient combustion is the Leichholm compressor. This unit forces compressed air into the cylinders to fill them with 50% more mixture than their displacement value. The result is a 50% improvement in torque compared with a conventional engine of the same displacement. A 4-speed, electronically controlled automatic transmission is fitted to effectively harness the performance of these two V6 engines. When the accelerator is depressed firmly, the power mode is automatically selected for rapid acceleration. For the more sporty feel of manual transmission or on slippery surfaces, the hold mode can be selected. The Eunos 800 suspension is an all-new 4-wheel multi-link system. The front suspension ensures excellent rigidity against lateral forces and keeps roll to an absolute minimum. The lower arm of the rear suspension is separated into a pair of lateral links and a trailing link. The result is outstanding cornering ability with maximum tire contact with the road. The Eunos 800's handling and stability are further enhanced by a new generation 4-wheel steering system. With front and rear ventilated disc brakes, a 3-channel, 4-sensor anti-lock braking system, and traction control, driving is not only very safe, but a great pleasure on any road surface. Active safety systems like the 4-wheel steering and ABS are only the first line of defense, if required, for Eunos 800 drivers. In the event of an accident, there is a range of passive safety systems to protect the occupants. To determine what these systems should be, a supercomputer was programmed to simulate the interaction of complex collision forces, a procedure known as finite element analysis. As a result of these simulations, Eunos 800 airbags have been fitted with sensors to speed response time and reduce impact. Pre-tensioning seat belts immediately activate to hold the occupants in the ergonomic protection of the seat. And crushable zones built around the highly rigid cabin will progressively crumple to absorb impact. Environmental care is everyone's responsibility, and it's one that's taken very seriously at Eunos. Consequently, the Eunos 800 is one of the quietest and cleanest cars on the road today. Combination of the lightweight aerodynamic body and a clean, efficient engine achieves a substantial reduction in both toxic emissions and fuel consumption. More than 85% of the plastic components are made from recyclable thermoplastics. Some parts, such as the splash shields, are already manufactured from recycled plastic. And no CFCs or asbestos have been used. The Eunos 800 from Mazda. The true realization of the ultimate obsession with perfection. The commitment is total. The proof is Eunos.
We trust you enjoyed your introduction to the Eunos 800. To now experience it firsthand, we invite you to take a personal test drive. In the letter accompanying this video, you will find an invitation to contact your nearest Eunos dealer, who will be delighted to make the arrangements for you. As a small courtesy, your own vehicle will be treated to a complimentary clean and detail while you get to know our new flagship. We look forward to seeing you soon, and thank you for your interest.